I ordered a Geertop ultra lightweight one-man trekking pole hiking tent from Temu, and 5 days later, bang on the date they said it would arrive, a parcel arrived. I opened the bag and inside was a cardboard box, and on that cardboard box it says Geertop, and I stopped there, and then I've come here to the Quinton Meadows to open it with you guys. So let's see what they sent me. I am a great believer in the old adage that if something seems too good to be true, then it probably is too good to be true. Having said that, I just bought a Geertop ultralight one-man hiking tent from Temu. If you don't know what Temu is yet, it's a online marketplace, a bit like Amazon, but they are selling things at ridiculously reduced prices at the moment. So this tent so the reason I'm laughing is I haven't opened the box yet, so I don't actually know what's in the box. The box says Geertop on it, but I wanted to share that with you, and we'll see whether what you get on Temu is what you think you're getting. Let's find out. So this is what came in the post. Haven't opened the box yet. There's something in there. And it's got Geertop on the front, experience the journey. So I'm just going to open this up now. Okay. So there's something in there that could possibly be a tent. Nice little stuff sack. Instructions on how to put it up. So I've definitely got a tent, so that's a good start straight away, isn't it? Something about condensations and how to reduce condensation on the flat there, and it's got the Geertop logo on the installation instructions. Something else in that bag. Now I ordered blue. This looks green, which I'm happy with. If they've made a mistake, I'll keep the green one. Oh, hang on, no, there's something. Okay, so there's a blue. I'm assuming that must be the outer then, and this must be the inner. Something else. Okay, that's going to be pegs, isn't it? Let's have a look at these. So I've definitely got a tent. Or have I been too early and this is a hammock? Okay. Guy lines, little aluminium tensions there. It's not finished up very well, so that looks pretty good. Geertop Heron 16 tent pegs. They're quite nice actually. Seems to be. Oh, there's loads of. Oh, let's get all of these ones ordered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 tent pegs. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 guy lines. So maybe they've gone overkill on the number of tent pegs they supply, but I quite like those. They're pretty good standard. They feel like a nice quality. So this is the inner. I'm going to set this out over there in just a second. Okay, come back to that. And here is the outer. Now, it mentions things like taped seams, so let's have a quick look at these seams. It doesn't look taped, although that does. Wow, wasn't expecting that, to be honest. So it doesn't look like it's taped where the zips are, but certainly the seams elsewhere are taped, and they're taped at the hangers inside as well, right around the bottom. Okay, so that's it. Even where the guy line tags are, they're taped and sealed on the inside as well. It's looking promising. Okay, I'm going to just put that to one side. Let's check the inner now. So little pretty stiff aluminium risers on the corners on the bathtub. That's good. Let's have a look, see whether they're taped. So the bathtub's in one piece, so the only bit where there's a split in the material is going to be in the corner. Which is taped. Okay, so it looks like we've got a good weatherproof sealing on the stitch joins. I don't know about the actual material itself. So what I'm going to do now is just turn the camera around, face it onto that little bit of flat ground there, and see how easy and quickly this goes up. The measurements: it is 83 inches long, 35.5 inches wide, and 41.5 inches high. Plenty of room for one person. Weight wise, it is 2.6 pounds. So the fly sheet is a 20 denier silicone coated nylon, waterproofed up to 3000 millimeters hydrostatic head. The seams are double stitched and nylon tape sealed. The floor is 50 denier and it is a 5000 millimeter hydrostatic head. In the package you get the fly sheet, the inner, 16 aluminium stakes, 6 guide ropes and 1 carry bag. There we go, she's set up. So the purpose of this tent for me is autumn and spring camping. Summer, I tend not to use anything, to be honest. I might just take a basher or a tarp just in case it rains in the night, but I tend to sleep open. Spring or summer is more for this type of product, where it's going to keep any good shelter. It's going to shelter me from any rainstorms and give me somewhere to keep my kit dry. See, those zips seem like they're quite, I don't know if they're waterproof, but oh well, time will tell that one as well. Nicely done. There's not a massive amount of space there, but there is enough space for me to keep my rucksack, particularly when I'm camping at the time of year that I'll be using this, because I don't carry a lot with me. Having said that, there's also room inside the tent for me to put my gear, because I don't take up a lot of room. Let's see just how much space we have got in here. So this is actually a lot of space for me, certainly a lot more room than I have in the bivvy. You can see there's a gap there, more than a big enough gap off to the side there for kit. In fact, I'll bring my bag in here and it would be absolutely covered by the tarp. There's plenty of headroom there, so if I do want to sit up and, you know, read a book or just do stuff here out of the rain, I've got space for that. And I'm thinking things like packing up. There's nothing worse than when you're trying to get your kit put away and it's raining, you're trying to keep it dry because you're moving on somewhere else. But this gives you that little bit of space there where you can sit up and do that. Likewise cooking. If I bring this door out a little bit and peg it out, that would give me a bit of space away from the rain. Nice thing about this is if I wake up in the morning and the rain's coming from that way, I can open this side and cook, and if the rain's coming from that way, I can open this side and use that as shelter for cooking. Of course, with those balmy summer or spring evenings, you can open up both sides. And let a breeze through. First impressions, pretty impressive. Obviously the the actual purpose of the tent is to shelter you from the elements, so I won't know that until I take it out for the first time to use it. But the design, the quality of the materials, nothing feels particularly flimsy or like it's going to give up on me. So look at that, reinforced corners and that taping on the stitching. Yeah, really impressed with that. Something else I didn't realise, the whole sides open up. So I've put back both of the flaps on this side, so the whole side is open. Again, really nice if you're out and you've got a nice view in a direction, you can just open it up. I've got to say, really looking forward to taking this out now, and maybe Temu can be trusted. So there you have it, an unboxing and a quick look at the Geertop one-man ultra lightweight hiking tent. Drop me any comments if you've got any questions about it. I will be doing a more in-depth review on this product once I've used it a few times. So like and subscribe if you'd like to see that. But until then, stay safe, have fun, and I will see you on the next one.